What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very fun video actually. So my friends are going to be picking my makeup for the day. So you guys know I wear basically the same kind of makeup every single time I film, and I'm always trying to find like new ways to make myself experiment, kind of push myself out of my comfort zone. And I saw this trend actually a year ago, and I've been meaning to do it but never really got around to doing it, and finally we're doing it. Unfortunately we can't do it in person, it's going to have to be like a virtual collab, but you guys keep asking me to make my friends a part of my video and keep like inviting them, so here is a fun way to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna be FaceTiming my friends in order to pick out my makeup. So I know a lot of people give options of the products, but I feel like my friends, most of them are guy friends, right? They don't understand क्या प्रोडक्ट का क्या मतलब होता है और क्या प्रोडक्ट क्या है, you know what I mean? So I'm rather gonna let them decide what kind of look I should do. So for example, what kind of eyeshadow look I should do, or what lipstick color I should wear, or what my foundation base should look like, you know what I mean? I think that just makes a lot more sense in my head at least. So that's how we're gonna be doing it. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let's get started. So if you're interested in winning a hamper worth 2,000 rupees, all you need to do is follow these very
since
simple
I haven't
rules.
done my
I'm
makeup,
going to be
so it's always
mentioning them
really
in the
exciting
description
to do your
box
makeup
as well.
after a while. So as you can see from the backdrop, I am back at my parents' place. I'll talk a little bit more about it. But in order to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Mamaearth's Ultra Light Gel. This is the Upton version. They also have a vitamin C version. By the way, the Upton version has turmeric and saffron in it. So this is a moisturizing gel. It's very, very lightweight, extremely not oily, which is perfect for the summer. And I have oily skin, it doesn't break me out, very lightweight as I mentioned earlier, but at the same time it hydrates your skin perfectly. You will see within seconds it just like absorbs into my skin. By the way, this can also be used on your body, which is great. These gels are truly like a refreshment for your skin during the summers. As you can see, this crash test just proves my point. These gels are very lightweight and just make your skin so soft and supple and hydrated. Of course, if you want to check this product out, you can use my code MRIDUL2021 to get 20% off on Mamaearth.in. All Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So before I move on with my makeup, I do want to talk about certain things that Mamaearth has been doing which are incredible. So to start off, you guys know that Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. So by this point, they've recycled 1,135 metric tons of plastic. Just to give you a reference, 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kgs. So at this point, they have recycled thousands upon thousands of kgs of plastic. Other than that, they've planted 110,000 trees, which is obviously amazing. Given the current scenario, they've distributed over 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks to our COVID heroes. So a huge shout out to Mamaearth. And also they do have a newly launched app. So I'm going to be leaving the Android and the iOS links in the description box below so that you can go ahead and download it. If you do end up using it, you will obviously get early access to sales and hence more discounts. So having said that, let's move on to the makeup. Okay, so for step 1, which is my base, I'm actually going to be FaceTiming Tirth, aka Nani, you guys know him. I'm going to be FaceTiming him and we'll ask him what he has in mind for me. What's up?
Yeah.
Okay, so by the way, I haven't told them what we're doing. So basically,
मालूम ही नहीं है कुछ.
like always. So basically, you guys have to pick my makeup. मतलब मैं कैसा मेकअप करूँगी वो तुम लोग डिसाइड करोगे.
अच्छा ऐसा सब सीन है क्या?
हाँ ठीक है, तो तुझे पिक करना है मेरा बेस कैसा होगा. बेस मतलब समझ रहा है, फाउंडेशन कैसा होगा. तो कैसा करूँ? शुड आई डू लाइक अ हैवी फाउंडेशन और वेरी लाइट एंड नेचुरल? आई न्यू ही वाज गोना से दैट. लाइट एंड नेचुरल ना. ओके कूल, बस इतना ही बोलना था. थैंक्स, दैट्स इट, यू आर डन. यस, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लंबा रोल दूंगी.
अच्छे से करना जरा.
यस, थैंक यू, बाय.
बाय.
Okay, so मुझे पता था already कि he was gonna say light foundation, makeup, whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. Usually I do like a heavy base and I like that personally, but ठीक है, we're doing things differently today. So just doing a very light base of foundation. By the way, this video is gonna be very chatty. हाँ, तो as I was saying, I'm just at home chilling. I'm actually gonna be going to my nanny's place tomorrow. So my mom isn't home since the last 2-3 days because she's staying with my nana and nani. So they finally took their second vaccine, which I'm so happy about. Makes me feel very very relieved. Mom and dad दोनों ने first vaccine ले लिया है. So that is also a little bit like I'm a little bit relieved that they're at least halfway done with their vaccination. So yeah, my mom's been taking care of Nana Nani just in case they like get sick because of the vaccine, second dose wala. So mom's gonna be coming back tomorrow and I'm gonna be going just to chill with my Nana Nani, which is why I'm like trying to like bulk film today so that I can like go to Nani's place and edit. I actually used to live with my Nani for like the first 10-11 years of my life. Like practically I used to live with her only. So it's going to be so nice to go back to her. Even when I was in college, I used to live with her only practically because my college is like so close. Sophia College is so close to my Nani's place. Yeah, I'm actually very excited to go tomorrow. I feel like COVID has really shown us what is important in life, and I feel like my work can wait. I'm just gonna bulk film as I said, and I'll go and edit wahan par jaake. And even if I don't end up posting too much, I'm honestly okay with it. Okay, I think my base is done. I think this base is also very heavy for most people, but this is very light for me, trust me. So this is what my natural base looks like. Okay, next we have Jatin. So I'm going to be FaceTiming Jatin really quickly and let's see what he has to say about my blush and my contour. Okay, so Jatin isn't picking up his call. So in the meanwhile, I'm just going to call Aditya and give him his task. So Aditya knows what the video is. I've told him, but I haven't told him what he's supposed to do. So basically, you have to pick out my eyeshadow look. Okay, so internet, I was gonna say internet and Pinterest combine ho gaya. So go on Pinterest, go on Google, whatever, and pick out a makeup look, eyeshadow look, for me that I need to recreate. Okay, it can be anything. कोई भी color का, you can do anything.
कोई भी design.
हाँ, design, yeah, okay, fine, anything works.
Cool.
By the way, show everyone your view. He's at the Happy Place Villas. So lucky. Quarantining at the Happy Place.
Okay.
Okay, I'll call you back in a bit. Bye. मैं वीडियो फिल्म कर रही हूँ and you're a part of the video. Okay, so you have to pick my highlight. So my camera stopped recording beech mein, so many technical difficulties, but I think I'll just do my highlight and then we'll attempt calling Jatin for like the 4th time. In case you guys are wondering, Siddhi was at the hospital because she was wearing her PPE kit. I know a lot of people will be confused. I've mentioned in a previous video that she's a frontline worker. So yeah. Okay, finally. No problem. Okay, so क्या करना पता है, my friends are picking my makeup. Okay, so तीर्थ ने फाउंडेशन पिक किया, सिद्धि ने हाइलाइटर किया. तुझे पिक करना है कि मैं ब्लश और कॉन्टोर रहता है ना इधर जो लगाते हैं डार्क पाउडर, वो क्या करूँ? Should I do like intense, light या नहीं करूँ? Whatever, it's up to you.
I guess नहीं करेगी तो better. You look better without it. तेरे
Okay.
pictures और highlight करके
Okay, cool. और blush?
थोड़ा सा.
एकदम थोड़ा.
वो ना जो मेरे को भी लगा है.
हाँ हाँ.
वो थोड़ा.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, so you guys heard him. We're not doing contour for today. Anyway, I'm not that fond of like doing contouring. कभी-कभी mood होता है तो कर लेती हूँ. But we do have to do a little bit of blush. So ideally, I should have done blush before highlighter, but Mr. Jatin didn't pick up his phone. So we're just gonna layer it, and then I'll actually put highlighter ऊपर से फिर से. He said just a little bit. So I'm just gonna do very little. ठीक, I think this is like enough. So my base makeup is finally done. So far, everything that I've done is opposite of what I would usually do, which is good. I do feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it's okay. अभी next call करेंगे आदित्य को and पूछ लेते हैं उसको क्या करना है for the eyes. Okay, ready with your 2 eye looks?
Yeah.
बोलो तो क्या है?
तो मैंने तो जो WhatsApp पे भेजा है.
अच्छा रुक, let me have a look 1 second. I can see them, yeah.
तो हाँ, तो उसमें से एक है वो लैवेंडर कलर का है, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा लैवेंडर कर ये तू, you know, कोई तो लास्ट की वीडियो में भी लैवेंडर, फिर क्वर्की के
Mansi is my best friend, bro. I have to like lavender.
क्वर्की वाले वीडियो में भी लैवेंडर था.
हाँ.
वो एक लैवेंडर भेजा मैंने, बट फिर उसके नीचे मेरे को एक रेड कलर का दिखा.
Oh my god.
तो मैं सोचा कि लैवेंडर तो ठीक है, पुल अप हो जाएगा, बट आई एम थिंकिंग कि
I don't think I've actually ever done a red eye now that I think of it.
रेड ये तेरा कलर ही नहीं आता है तेरे एस्थेटिक कलर्स के
नहीं.
कलर पैलेट में.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but ठीक है, okay, we'll do a red. Cool.
तूने न्यूड और ये छोड़ के अभी थोड़ा बहुत लैवेंडर, उसके अलावा तूने कोई कलर आज तक कभी मैंने देखा नहीं.
Whatever.
आई थिंक रेड वाला आई थिंक ज्यादा बेटर लगा.
Okay, cool. Thanks for attacking me and thanks for giving me my eye look. Okay, so here we go. By the way, I will link the palette that I am using. I might end up using more than one. Let's see, time will tell. और क्या बात करना था? I actually made like a note in my phone about like certain topics that I wanted to discuss with you guys. Remember how I used to do these get ready with me? I think I did 2 or 3 in the past, wherein I would just do my makeup and chat with you guys regarding what's happening in my life at that point of time. And I do want to start doing those again, but honestly there's nothing happening in my life as of right now. But yeah, I did want to talk to you guys regarding the Cosmopolitan Awards. So if you guys follow me here or even on Insta, you guys might know that I was nominated for Cosmopolitan's beauty blogger of the year in that category. And on the day when it was supposed to be announced, I automatically got nominated in another category, which I did not know at all. And I think it was upcoming beauty influencer. I think that was the category that I was randomly nominated in, which I mean, I'm not mad about it at all. Why would I be mad about getting nominated in 2 categories? But I did not end up winning in either of the categories. But I just wanted to come here and say thank you for everyone who even voted for me. Honestly, thank you so much. It's okay that I didn't win. I was actually even shocked to be nominated in the first place because पता नहीं यार, मैंने सोचा नहीं था होंगी. Actually last year nominate हुई थी मैं, and then those awards got pushed to this year. So got nominated again for this year. Honestly, I was not expecting to win in the first place also. I know that sounds very like pessimistic, but there were people like Shreya Jain and Malvika and Mrunu nominated with me. So I knew mera chance nahi hai, honestly. So I wasn't heartbroken when I didn't win also. But I do hope to get nominated next year as well. Obviously, that would be great. Obviously, time will tell if I keep working hard and if you guys give me your support. Who knows? I might just end up winning next year. So one more thing I wanted to talk about was uploading on a schedule. So again, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've never had a schedule as such. Like I post whenever I want to, no fixed days. I really look up to people like that Quirky Miss, for example, who upload on a fixed day. I think unka hai Tuesday or Friday. But honestly, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to do that. I like to upload when I want to and when I feel prepared for it rather than like sticking to a schedule. I know it would make things easier for you guys for sure, and you guys would appreciate if I posted say every Monday or every Wednesday or whatever, but I do make it a point to try to post twice a week. So if you see on an average last month, April, May, I posted I think 10 videos, which is equal to 2 videos a week. So I try to do that even if it means posting every other day for a week and then disappearing for a week. That's just how it's always been, and life happens. Yeah, like some weeks I'm more busy with Simba work, so I have to give that more time. Sometimes I give all of my time to YouTube, and yeah, just wanted to clarify that. A lot of you guys were curious about my posting schedule, so yeah, that's my situation with my posting schedule. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat this on the other eye, and actually I want to make it a little bit more intense also, like very red. Filhal, mere eyeshadows aren't doing the best job, so I'm gonna dig around, find more eyeshadow palettes and make this more red and then copy the same thing here. Okay, so I'm back. This is what my eyes look like. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this eye look. For some reason, I feel like I look very like vampy and scary almost. Not overthinking it too much. Now I'm gonna call Mayur and I'm gonna ask him whether I should do a liner, a wing liner, kajal, whatever. The reason why I gave this question to Mayur is because Adya wears kajal and eyeliner and that's basically all that she wears. So I thought maybe we should ask him what he has in mind. So random. इसके अलावा मैंने सारा ही on a random basis सबको questions दिए. But for Mayur, I specifically picked eyeliner and kajal. Hi.
What's up?
What's up? Do you know what we're doing?
No idea.
Okay. So basically, my friends pick my makeup. Okay.
अरे बाप रे.
तो तीर्थ ने फाउंडेशन किया, फिर आदि ने ये रेड आई शैडो किया, वैसे सबने अलग अलग किया. ओके, सो फॉर यू have to pick, should I do eyeliner, kajal, like whatever, like should I do a wing eyeliner, you know Adya does that wing,
Yeah.
so should I do that, should I not do that, should I apply kajal, whatever, up to you.
No, the eyeliner always looks good. Do that wing. eyeliner.
And kajal, should I do kajal also?
अच्छा, अलग है क्या दोनों?
नीचे लगाते हैं ना जो ऐसा नीचे लाइन होता है,
अगर
वो भी करूँ? ओके ठीक है, cool.
नहीं कर, अच्छा, do the wing for sure. काजल वाला है giving up to you.
Thanks. I don't like applying kajal, guys. Thank you for this. थोड़ा cheating चलता है पूरे वीडियो में. Okay, so we are doing a wing liner, which is great. Love wing liners, you guys know that. But I don't know how it's gonna look on this eye look. I was kind of hoping कि ना बोले wing liner, but ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. And एक चीज़ तो मैंने already minus करवा ली उनसे, which is the kajal. So let's get on with the wing liner. Wing liner in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, done. So this is what they look like. Looks not bad, but I feel like the lashes is what is going to seal the whole thing together. So for lashes, I'm going to be asking Shikhar if I should do mascara, if I should do lashes, if I should do dramatic lashes. He's going to figure it out for us. Okay, are you ready? So basically my friends pick my makeup. Okay. So ये red eyes आदि ने पिक की, फिर और क्या फाउंडेशन जतिन ने तीर्थ ने पिक किया, तो तुझे पिक करना है what should I do to my eyelashes. So should I do mascara, should I put false lashes, if I put false lashes should they be natural, should they be dramatic, whatever you want, what should I do?
False lashes.
Okay.
And उसमें क्या क्या कर सकती है?
मतलब नेचुरल करूँ कि अच्छे थिक वाले लगाऊँ?
Natural.
ओके ठीक है. आई थॉट ही वॉज गोना से नो लैशेज, और ये आई लुक के साथ नो लैशेज बहुत फनी लगता है. सो आई एम ग्लैड यू सेड लैशेज. थैंक्स.
चेंज कर सकता हूँ?
नहीं. You're done. Okay, you heard him. I'm so happy. Finally, one thing that went according to what I like, which is good. Lashes, because lashes like bring everything together. Like even if you mess up your eyeshadow, if you put on a pair of lashes properly, it looks nice. So I'm just gonna go find a very natural pair of lashes, not gonna put on the dramatic ones like I do usually. So I'm back with my most natural pair of lashes that I could find. I really need to buy some natural lashes. These are somewhere in the middle, but these were the most natural ones that I own. And I'm actually glad that Shikhar picked natural false lashes, because अगर dramatic होते तो पूरा eye look ही छुप जाता, because I have very small eyes, right? So very good choice by Shikhar. Now we're gonna move on to lipstick. Now I am so worried about lipstick, because if I get like a weird random color, how is this gonna go? The only kind of lipstick that goes with this eye look is nude lips. So I don't know if that's even gonna get picked, but we'll see. Okay, so I actually tried calling Adya and I had covered the camera because I didn't want her to look at my look and then decide the lipstick accordingly. I wanted it to be like her genuine reaction, right? But anyway, she didn't pick up because she's doing jhadu pocha, she's cleaning. So she's not gonna be able to pick up right now, but I did drop her a message as to like what lipstick do you think I should wear, you know? And she told me that I should wear, just guess, red lipstick. Oh my god, red eyeshadow pe red lipstick. I don't even know. I mean, I have seen people do that, but I don't feel comfortable doing it. It's definitely a bit much for me. But since that's the challenge, that's the whole point of this video, we're gonna be doing it. Okay, so she did say red, but she didn't mention which shade of red, so I'm gonna try to make it like maroon so that it becomes like a monochromatic look almost. And this is my final look. This is what it looks like. I do like it, but will I wear it again? Probably not, but I am happy with the way it turned out. It's very unlike me. And it's a little bit much also for me, like red with red. Absolutely not. I like to either just do heavy lips or heavy eyes and then balance it out. But this was a really fun experience. I would have never tried this out myself for sure. So definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely let me know what else I can do with my friends, because for a while it's just going to be virtual, right? We all know that. Definitely let me know, and please take care, stay safe, stay at home. If you do need to step out, if it's extremely important, do make sure to double mask and also carry a sanitizer. I think that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like also if you enjoyed, and follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.